Hi everyone. In this video, I will explain you how to create a poll with a campaign. For that, I need to log in as an organization. So here I'm going to log in as the organization. So in this view of organization, we have different menus. As I said earlier, we have polls, users, user group, campaigns, and ads. So I'm going to click the menu polls. So currently, I don't have any live polls in my list. All my polls are in the status of past. So here I'm going to create a new poll. I'm going to click the create new poll button. So now I'm going to create a campaign based poll, not an ordinary poll. It's a campaign based poll. For that, we have an option over here to the step one, select campaign. So if you're going to create a normal poll means you can skip this first step one. You can continue from the step two, but now I'm going to create a campaign based poll. So I need to include my poll into a campaign. So I need to just click the drop down. So here you can see the list of campaigns. Currently, I just created only one campaign in my organization profile. So that I will show you now. So in this new tab, you can view the list of campaigns. So here you go. Here you can see we have only one live campaign in my list. So these are the features we'll be going to use for that particular poll. So again, I'm going to choose this campaign from the drop down. So this campaign carries the different awards and different ads. So those ads and awards we can use for this poll. So this is the main core area for using and for utilizing the awards and advertisement campaign advertisement for which we are creating before. So first we need to select the campaign name. So just I'm going to give a question. I'm going to give a question like, well, we can give test poll for the new campaign for frenzy. So I'm going to view a answer options, new, old. So I'm going to click the new as a correct answer. So I'm not going to choose an image or video for this one. So in the step 3, which is an usual thing which we are going to follow for the normal poll. In the step 3, we can see the difference between the normal poll and the campaign based poll. The start date and the date stop. The date start will be the post now button, and the date stop will be, you can see that we have given the start date and the end date of the campaign. So here you can view, please choose dates between the start date and the end date if you have selected a campaign. We have selected the campaign name as Sport Fancy, so that campaign start date will be 5th of this month and it is going to end at the 31st. So if you want to clarify this one, so you can go back to the campaign list. So I'm going to the campaign list. So here you can see we have created the Vote Frenzy campaign with the start date of 5 October to 31st of October. The same thing will be following here also because we choose on the campaign Vote Frenzy. So based on this campaign, the details will be carrying over here. So we have to choose the poll. Sorry, we have to create the poll in between the days of campaign start date and end date. So now I'm going to create the campaign based poll. The start date as post now and the end date I'm giving us 6th of October, which is that tomorrow. So we have a date limit up to, we can choose as 31st because our campaign is going to end by the 31st of this month. So moving to the next step, we can tag this poll to different tags, which is usually happen in our ordinary polls. And the step 5, we have select followers. You can skip that. For campaign-based poll, we have newly introduced an option called poll awards criteria and coupon. So if you've gone through the video of poll award creation and campaign creation, you can get an idea of this, what is this poll command award and what is this poll vote award. So for this campaign, we have added these 2 point category awards that I will clarify you. So we are going back to the award list. So here is the vote frenzy campaign which we added for this particular poll. So now I'm going to show the detail of this campaign. So here we go. Here you can see these 2 point categories, which is called poll votes and poll comment. These are the poll. These are the 2 categories we use for this vote frenzy campaign. So logically, if you move to this poll creation page, we have selected the campaign name as vote frenzy. So obviously, it will give those 2 point category award for each and every poll. So it is based on user wish that he can choose 2 coupon or 2 award for this campaign, sorry, for this poll, or he can go for 1. Whatever item whatever point category which we are adding in our campaign, those those campaigns point category will be listed here. Once you select a campaign from this drop down, those award and those ads will be listed over here. Well, if I create another campaign in the name of any other new name like Phoenix or Arizona via politics, something like if I'm going to create a new campaign. Likewise, if I am going to create the point categories like poll vote, poll comment, share to Facebook, share to Twitter, repost, etc. So if I add, for example, if I am adding for a new campaign like 5 point category, so when I'm going to select that new campaign from this drop down, so those included point categories will be going to list instead of this point category, this poll awards. So based on the creation of campaign, the poll award which comes under a campaign will be listed in this section of poll award criteria and coupon. So for this poll, I'm going to select both like user poll command and user poll vote. Also, I'm going to select the ad. So if you check the campaign ad creation and campaign creation video, you can see the flow of how this comes into this drop down. So these are the ads which we are creating on the scenario of campaign view, which I am creating the advertisement by selecting the screen of campaign view. Those campaign view advertisement will be listed in this drop down. So currently we have, let me show that. Currently we have three, one, two, three. 3 ads are there, which is comes under the name of campaign view. So those ad will be listed over here. Also, I added these 3 advertisement in the campaign name for frenzy. So obviously it's going to be listed over here. So I'm going to select the one. So this is the only one ad advertisement is enough me for show in that whole detail page. So now I'm going to choose another one. Sorry, I'm going to choose this ad. So you can remember this ad name as ad title. For this ad title, I given the banner of this image like vote. So I'm going to choose this one. And finally, I'm going to add this poll. So you can see the poll over here. It's in the status of live. So you can check this, like you can check this poll and its action from mobile app. So that's it of the poll creation, campaign-based poll creation flow. Hope you understand the creation of poll based on a campaign selection. So the core area is like this. User can enjoy the awards and points and advertisement based on the campaign creation. So we have to create everything in a campaign. After that, if a poll is going to include in a campaign, so first we need to, as shown you earlier, first we need to choose the campaign from the drop down. So once it is chosen, so these functionalities and features which comes under the campaign will be listed and it will be going to merge with this poll. So hope you enjoyed the video and hope you understand the flow of the poll campaign based poll creation. So in detail, how this action is going to help in mobile application that I will show you in the view of mobile application in my next videos. Thank you for watching this video.